In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple Facebook ads account from a Facebook Business Manager. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your actual business at facebook.com in order to see this page. You can log in with Facebook or you can also log in with Instagram. If you don't have any of them, head over and create an account right here. Now, if you also have a Manage Meta account, you can also log in through that way. So click on this if that option is available to you. Now here is my actual Meta Business Suite. So in order to create multiple Facebook ads account, you just need to head over right here into this part. Onto this case right here, just click onto the settings option. And once you have done that, you can see right here this. So what you can do is head over to the accounts tab and then choose add accounts option right there. Now I only have one, so let's head over and add another. Click onto this add option. And after that, just choose to create an ad account. You can also add an existing and request access to another one. So on my case, you can click on this create one. However, if you can also find that you have reached maximum number of ad accounts allowed for a new business portfolio, so you'll be able to create or add more accounts after several weeks. So once you're done with the several weeks of waiting and if it's available to you, you can head over and then click onto this create new ad account in order to get access to this. Just need to enter new account details assigned to a business portfolio by adding that ad account to, then confirm the creation and agree to the Meta terms, service, and advertising standards. Just need to add a payment information and then repeat for more accounts if you want to create multiple. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need.